How to master your public speaking in 6 months. Public speaking is a game changer. Whether you are pitching an idea, leading a meeting, or inspiring a crowd, your ability to speak with confidence can open doors. But many people struggle with stage fright, awkward gestures, and filler words. The good news, you can fix all that in just 6 months. Master public speaking in 6 months, a simple plan. Stick with me till the end, and I will show you a practical step by step method to sharpen your speaking skills, gain confidence, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Let's dive in. I am Amit, and let's start our next success video. First, pick any topic you are comfortable with and record it. 10 minutes video of yourself speaking. It doesn't have to be perfect, just speak naturally. Step 2, analyze your body language. Now, find an isolated place free from distractions and watch your video. Observe your body language, hand gestures, facial expressions, and overall confidence. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What felt awkward? What should I change? Write down your observations on a cheat sheet. This will be your personal reference for improvement. Next, turn off the audio and watch the video again. This helps you focus purely on your non-verbal communications, your posture, your expressions, your hand movements. Are you convincing or are you conveying confidence even without sound? Write down cheat sheet of areas you wish to improve. Step 4. Focus on your voice only. Cut to you listening to just the audio. Now, play your video and listen carefully. This time, focus only on your voice, tone, modulation, clarity, and filler words. Common filler words to avoid. What are they? Like So basically, to avoid. Write down any overused words. Work on eliminating them in your next speech. Step 5. Repeat every 3 days. Now, here's the real secret to success. Repeat this process every 3 days for the next 6 months. With consistent practice, you will notice a huge transformation in your public speaking skill. Remember, the key to mastery is consistency. You follow this method, I guarantee you will become a confident and impactful speaker. Try this challenge. Drop a comment below after completing a few cycles. I would love to hear about your progress.